Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Miss Jackie Russell and I want to welcome each and every one of you to this very special national friendship collaboration. Susan with Susan's Just Making It invited me and several other of her friends and said, hey guys, I'm going to put together a friendship collab. Would you be interested? And I said, of course I would. And then Susan got a list of all the collaborators and she paired us up, and we each have a partner that we have sent a gift to, and our requirements were to spend $30 or less and to buy things in their favorite color, and they were to mention one item that they really liked. So we all did that. There are 18 of us in this collab and we are broken up into 3 groups. And I am in group 1. And I will go through the names of all the persons in my group, and then I will tell you groups 2 and 3. You do need to be subscribed to all channels that are in group 1 to win my giveaway. In my group 1, we have Susan's Just Making It and Julie with Bootsy on the Beat, and those two are paired up and they sent each other gifts. And then we have Sunny with Sunny's Place, and we have Shannon with Shannon Carroll, and they are paired up as friends. And then we have Bonnie's Bargains, and Bonnie and I were paired up as friends, which was perfect because we're already great friends. Now, to be a part of this giveaway, to my understanding, you have to be subscribed to our group. But I would encourage you to be subscribed to all the groups, to all the channels, because they're all great. And you know what? I bet you most of you are already subscribed to all of us. So pop over and check out all the gifts that were sent to each other. In group 2, we have Lori's Life paired up with Wendy Jean's Unboxing with Wendy Jean. We have Pat, Blessed GMP, paired up with Kim, Kim's A Little A Lot. We have Barbara with Barbara's Beauty, and she's paired up with Melissa, the 700 Mile Mom. So I know most of you know them too. So in the 3rd group, we have Connie from up north, and she's paired up with Kiki's Cracker Jack Box. We have Sherry with Wicked Awesome Lifestyles, and she's paired up with Unboxing with Arlene. Then we have Gina with Unboxing Discovery by G, and she is paired up with Michelle, Beauty Box Confessions. So those are our 3 groups, and we're all friends. And National Friendship Day is on August 7th, and you will be seeing this collab come out on August 6th. I am not certain how long this collab lasts, so I will put that in the screen somewhere. There will be a giveaway, so hang on for that. But right now, let me tell you about Bonnie. If you're not subscribed to Bonnie's Bargains, you need to head right on over there and do so. She is the sweetest lady, and I just love her. She has a lot of hauls on her channel. She has stories on her Mass Monday. She tells us life stories that have happened to her, and they're so interesting, and many of them are just so funny. And she also shares the Lord with us. She has readings from the Bible and readings from other books that has inspired her, so she's very loving, and she always ends her videos in "Be a rainbow in someone's cloud today." So like I said, and she's always praying for people too, so she's just a wonderful, wonderful woman. Her favorite color is blue, so I have blue on today, and I've got a little blue eyeshadow up there. And she sent me 2 packages from Amazon. I have not opened them up, so I have no clue what she sent me. So I'm going to just open up the first package. She was told that my favorite color, and we'll just wait because then y'all see what my favorite color is. I won't have to tell you. You'll probably be able to see it. Let's see what we have here. Oh, we've got a package and a package. And it says, "A gift for you, Happy National Friendship Day from Bonnie Hopster." And that is her name. And inside here we have, we have some mask brush. We have 3 mask brush. And it does have my favorite color in here. Have you guessed what it is? Maybe you already know. We'll just keep it a little surprise. But thank you. I can definitely use these. Recently I've gotten some charcoal masks, and I've got an apricot mask, and I've got another one that didn't come with applicators, so this will be perfect for that. Thank you so much, Bonnie. Now, the next item she sent me was in this box. Okay, let's see what's in here. I got it open and we can take a sneak peek. And I'm not going to tell you what I told her my favorite animal was, so we'll find out what she sent me. And inside here, I see a couple more things. I'm going to pull this out. Ooh, it's called Sound Angel. What is this? Is this one of those speakers? I think it is. And look, it's all in pink. How about that? Are y'all getting close yet with my favorite color? I told you what Bonnie's favorite color was. So let's get in here and find out what we got here that's pink. Oh, it's in a pink case. And it's called Sound Angel. And this is fabulous. I can take this with me on my trips. I can take this anywhere. Look at that. It's a speaker. And then it's got my little cords to hook up. All right. And it looks like I can hook it up to my computer, and so I can amplify my music. Lately I've been listening to the 70s music. I graduated in 78, and the 70s had some of the best music, so now I can really amp it up and have it in my favorite color. Thank you, Bonnie. That is so cool. I love this. Love it, love it, love it. I like the case too because it'll keep it nice and protected. It's kind of got like a, I don't know, a little padding on there to keep it protected. Very nice. Thank you. The next item I'm pulling out of here is something else that looks like my you know what color. Yeah, she's doing really good. This looks like a lip balm. Let's see what it is. This is Wet n Wild, and it is a lip gloss. So yeah, let's open this up. It's in pink. There we go. Woo, look at that. I think it tastes like cotton candy. Yum, yum. Oh yeah, look how pink that is. Oh, I love this, Bonnie. Oh, I was needing some pink. This is real pink lip gloss. Is it lipstick? And it's in the color called Sinless, but look how pink it comes out. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. Thank you, girl. Okay, I see something else in here, and it is also in my favorite color, and this is a car holder of some sort. Let me see here. Oh my goodness, look at this. It says, can you read it? Car registration and insurance holder, and it's a sports car on there. And you know, I know why she sent this. I sent her a picture when I was telling her my favorite color was pink. I said, I know you probably don't see me wearing a lot of pink all the time on the channel. I go, but I really love pink. So I sent her a picture of my Camaro. And yeah, my Camaro is white and trimmed out in pink, like bubblegum pink, like this. And at the end of this video, I'll put a couple of pictures so you can see it too. But I sent that to her so she could see it. So she found this pink car registration and insurance holder, and I don't have one of these. This is so cool, and I just love it. And especially that it's in pink, it's going to match my car. Isn't that just fabulous? Oh my goodness, thank you, Bonnie. I'm just loving all of this. Okay, I see one more thing in here that is in pink. You know what? I think these might be those coasters. Says car cup. Yeah, it's a car cup coaster, and they're in pink. Isn't that great? Wow. And there looks like to be 4 of them. Well, let's just open this up. It's so fun getting gifts from your friends. I just love this collaboration. Susan, you had a wonderful idea, and I just so thank you for inviting me. And I can't even remember if I said that in the beginning, but I do appreciate you. Okay, yeah, there's 4. So, and it feels like it might have some adhesive on the back, so you can set it down in there and it's not moving around. That is so cool. And once again, that'll match my car. All right, Bonnie, you're knocking it out of the park. Okay, the last item in here is an animal. And Susan had mentioned something about animals in our collab, but she didn't necessarily hold us all to it because Bonnie sent me that her favorite thing was journaling. Well, and I told her that my favorite animals was dogs. I mean, of course, that's what I do for a living, and I love little dogs and puppies. And look what she sent me. It's Tiny Dog Jungle Plush Dog Toy. Oh, how cute. Hey, that means my little doggies can play with this, and they'll love it. Yeah, they'll love this little doggy toy. It's a Hearts Jungle Plush Dog Toy. So she sent something not only because I love dogs, but for my dogs, and I just really love that. Thank you so much, Bonnie. I love everything. So as a recap, and you know, Amazon, they put all these little pieces of paper in there, you know, to verify who it's shipped to, and then a gift to you. Happy National Friendship Day from Bonnie Hobster. And so to recap, we got the dog toy, the little monkey that my little doggies can play with. We got these coasters, pink coasters that'll go in my car. I've got this car registration and insurance holder. Thank you. I've never had anything like that. That's really cool. And then, wow, I got this sound speakers. It's also pink. And I can use this in a lot of ways, around the house and even when we go on vacation. And I love that it's in this wonderful little case here. Thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness, this is a fun friendship day. And then I got this exceptional, pink gloss. Love that. That is just wonderful. And then I have 3 applicators for my mask. That is wonderful. And of course, pink is my favorite color. Thank you, Bonnie. I love it all. Okay, guys, wasn't that wonderful? I just can't wait for y'all to see what I got Bonnie, and I hope she liked everything I sent her. And I really appreciate you being my friend, and I appreciate all my friends in the National Friend Collaboration. And I know they are all going to have some great gifts as well from all their friends. Now, let's get down to the giveaway. In this giveaway, I have a box full of goodies in a blue box, and it says, "You are the best" underneath here, and you're going to receive everything in this box. The first thing you're going to get is some Yes I Am toner. This is AHA 5%. You're going to get some Balance Me, and this is BHA exfoliating concentrate. You're going to get some Model Company highlighting shimmer whip. You're going to get Flight Mode skincare. This is an overnight mask to moisturize your face. And then to keep your nails all in shape, you're going to get some strengthening nail and cuticle serum. And then you're going to get some pretty yellow Miami Deco. Yep, and it is in the color Tequila Sunrise. And I don't know if you can see the yellow. I think you can. So you're going to get that. And to top it all off, because we're on National Friend Week, and you are my friend. If you're a subscriber, or if you're new even, you are my friend, because my subscribers are my friends. And I am going to give this Friends t-shirt. I have not taken it out of the package, but you all know who Friends is. Yeah, yay! So this is going to go to one of you. So be sure and enter, and in the comments, the secret code is going to be FRIENDS, FRIENDS. Use FRIENDS in the comments, and you will be entered into my giveaway, and you will receive everything that's in this box. So it is packed full of goodies just for you. I appreciate you all joining me. I'm going to wrap this up. It's going to have a pretty little bow. This is one of these glossy boxes. You know, they do such fancy little things. And I'm going to share it with you. So this is for one lucky winner. Now the rules, you got to be 18 years or older. You've got to have an address within the continental USA. You need to be publicly subscribed to everyone in Group 1. That's Susan's Just Making It. That's Julie with Bootsy on the Beat. That is Bonnie's Bargains, of course. That's also Shannon Carroll and Sunny's Place. You need to be subscribed for sure to Group 1. And I recommend that you go and subscribe and watch all these channels and have the chances to win. So those are the ones in my group, and YouTube and or any of the product brands that I've shown here are not affiliated with this giveaway. I am not responsible for any allergic reactions. Be sure and test an area on your body before using the product. If anything is damaged or lost or stolen during transit, once it leaves my hands, I cannot be responsible for it. And as soon as this ends, I will post the winner. And I usually post now on a video, and I also post on my community page. So there's 2 ways to find out if you're the winner. So with that said, that's all I have today. Be sure and check my descriptions for any current giveaways or collaborations that may be going on. And I wish you all a happy National Friendship Day and week. And Bonnie, I especially wish one for you, and thank you again for all my gifts. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.